7 tips for getting started in network marketing, guys. Guys, give me the next 10 to 15 minutes and I'm going to show you 7 tips to get you started in network marketing. Stay tuned for the training. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I create a video. Also, guys, I want to ask you one question. Do you at all keep your option open in terms of making money outside of what you're currently doing? So if that question is a yes, I have a link below to a webinar that shows you how to be able to make money with 8 streams of income, guys. Check that link out below and I'll see you in the training. Okay, guys, 7 tips to get you started in network marketing. Guys, now you know you've been a part of this channel for a while and you know I'm an affiliate marketer and I do some of my social media presence on Pinterest. Also Facebook and Instagram as well, but you know, Pinterest has been my focus. Okay, the reason I wanted to go back into network marketing is because of the residual income. It is the constantly monthly income that you acquire if you're a part of a network marketing company. So today we want to discuss the 7 tips to get you started in network marketing. And the first tip I want to talk about today, guys, is remember this on this first tip. It is a process, guys. See, sometimes you get people advertising or marketing things that can get you that quick fix money. You know, it's that quick fix money where you can do this and do that and get money quick. But let me tell you something about the quick fix money. You have to be repetitive in doing that. You have to be repeating over and over. With network marketing, it is a process. It is a learning process. It is a growing process. So, and the reason why I want to break it down in 7 tips is because in these tips, it can show you the process path. You see what I'm saying? And what I always say, and we're going to give this shout out to Darren Kidd, a guy that I learned from. But what we're going to talk about is you learn and you earn at the same time. And when it comes to networking, when you learn, you can help your people to learn, guys. So that's why it's very important. If you're looking at it far as just to make money, you won't be good in network marketing. You want to learn and earn and network what you learn to help your people to earn. So that's just the first tip. Now I got some notes that I'm looking at to make sure I'm on track for what I'm discussing in this particular video. My next tip is you need to brand yourself. What I mean by brand yourself, work on you. See, it's a lot of products and there's a lot of networkers that are out there, network opportunities and anything that anybody could join. But eventually, when they join you. That's why you have to brand yourself. And that's the thing a lot of people miss out on. You know, you got to brand yourself. You know, you got to pick up you some skills. You got to pick up some stuff that lets you know, hey, man, you know what? This guy here, I want to follow this guy because he knows what he's talking about. All I'm telling you is if you are full of junk and you're not honest with your people, they'll follow you for a little while, but once they figure you out, they're gone, guys. They're absolutely gone. So that's a tip that you've got to work on. You got to work on you. And honesty is the deal when it comes to network marketing. Because, guys, this is a business. You play around with business junkie wise, you're going to get a junkie downline. So you want to do it like that, you know. So another thing, and I want to point out some notes that I have written down here. If you want to make more, you have to become more when you are a part of the same company. That's another little quote that I want you to do, because they can join someone else. They can go to another person. And another person that I actually had a chance to meet one time when I was with Herbalife was Jim Rome. I mean, I didn't physically meet him, but I saw him on the stage. Okay. And this is what he said, and I'll never forget this quote. He said, "Don't wish the opportunity was easy. Wish you were better." That's what you want to do. You want to wish you were better. And then another quote that I have, just want to make sure you're tracking on this, guys. Successful people do what unsuccessful people that are not willing to do. So it's some sacrifice into building a business. So guys, you want to do that. And let's get to the third tip, guys. Treat it like a business. See, people jump and see things online and they want to treat it like a hobby. No, guys, let me explain this to you. And this is what people mess up. They don't want to treat it like a business. They want to treat it like a hobby. Man, this is not a hobby. You have some networkers, it's that network marketing companies, this is their business. This is their livelihood. This is what pays the bill. This is what feeds their family. This is what takes them on trips. This is what do everything. So you have to treat it like a job. You have to treat it like a job. And I know, just like myself, I still work another job, and I'm doing this part-time, and I have a steady flow of income that's keeping me afloat. But you have to treat this business like a job. If you do not treat it like a job, it won't do anything for you. Okay. All right, let's go to our fourth tip. Learn to manage your emotions, guys. And I'm gonna say this. You do have people join and you have people leave. You have people join, you have people leave. That's even in the workforce, it's the same way. That is just a part of it. So when they do leave your organization, or they decide to not stay with your organization, that is a part of it. That is a part of it. So don't let your emotions, take over of you. Just stay in the fight. Just keep rolling. Just keep rolling. And I got a little quote that I want to read to you. In the beginning, I just want you to understand that if this network marketing business is your first time endeavor, in the beginning, you would do more work than what you would get paid for in the beginning. See, that's what happened in the beginning. But eventually, everything will start smoothing out, because this is new to you. There's a learning curve, and you got to kind of get into the systematic way. And then you have to find out your weakness. You have to dig and find out, well, what is my weakness? Then you got to find out, what am I doing that's not productive? Because you can be a part of the system, and you can do this and you can do this, and it's not producing you some income. Another guy that I studied with, and his name is Todd Falcone. He always talk about income producing activities. That's what you have to do. When you start out, you have to figure out, what is the main thing that produce income in my activity. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Stay away from your emotions, because it could hurt you when people leave your organization and things like that. So just keep going and keep on staying in activities that get you paid, guys. That's what you want to do. Now, my next thing is, number 5 is plug into your company's system. I'm going to tell you this. There's several different systems that are out there. Okay. But plug into your company's system. And then if that system is not working, guys, and your mentor or the person that you actually join has a system that works, plug into his. plug into his system. Because let me make sure we break this down before I go into our 6 point. When it comes to network, you still have your traditional list building, family and friends, warm market opportunity. And then you have the online part where you can attract people more, or you can be specific to the people who are actually doing it too. Learn how to balance both of them, guys, because some people gonna want to do the old school way and some people gonna want to do online. Everybody's not online. So balance between two, guys. That's what I always say. Balance between two and figure out what your audience would like to do. Okay. Number 6, guys. This is going to be powerful. Okay. Some of your growth in your network marketing is from association, guys. I use this at work. I'd rather be around the guys that are willing, that want it, that want to, what I'm saying is iron sharp iron. If you with someone that you always have to have the creation, or always have to have the motivation, you don't want to be that. You want to be with someone that's, hey, Will, what you think about this idea? What do you think about this? You want to be with iron sharp iron, because you can easily be around people that say it don't work because they hadn't figured out the formula, or they hadn't went into the formula and made it work for them. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, you want to associate yourself with people who are fired up, ready to go, and not stagnant in their business, more persistent and consistent. That's another quote that I got from Jeff Stevens. You know, I have a lot of quotes from a lot of people that I'm learning from, guys, and I want to share with you. You have to be more persistent and consistent. So you want to be around those type of people, guys. That's what you want to do. You want to be around those type of people, guys. So, and let's go to number 7. And this number 7 is going to be my last one, guys. This is back to number 2 too. Just be you. You don't look at someone else and say, you know what, I want to be like him. You don't want to do that. You want to be you. I want to be Willie D. Jarnett. That's all I want to be. I want to be him. So what I need to do is improve me, improve who I am as a network marketer, internet marketer, affiliate marketer, and hopefully what I can do can help influence someone else, and to influence someone else to influence the next person and pay it forward, guys. That's all I want to do, guys. That's all I want to do. So guys, look, I hope these 7 tips can be something that you can implement in your business, and just come back and listen to the video and just, I don't know, let it resonate in your heart, guys. But working online is something that it is a process. And if you try to treat it like a get rich quick thing, you just be spinning your wheels and you'll go to the next opportunity, guys. Guys, thank you. And if you didn't subscribe to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video. Guys, take care. I'll see you in the next one.